This exhibition has been a big platform for us because as a SMEs, we got very good contact from there.
Kind of crowd, the kind of audience, the kind of customer they are pitching in is tremendous. I look forward to participate more in the future.
Thank you Future Market Events for arranging this beautiful expo. Much of the industrial people attending this our stall.
We are having amazing time here. This is our second time participating. The footfall has been really good and the people coming here are very nice.
Visitors are quite good. So I have got good leads.
We are getting a good response from the various different types of customers, especially from the automotive.